You know, when you focus on healthy living, everything is really better in your life. And we really hope that we inspire people to get back in the kitchen. And we know September, children are going back to school, for those of you who have kids, and sometimes we don't cook as much. So hopefully we're going to show you some more recipes that you can do to keep the healthy in your life. So Luis, tell us what you're going to be cooking, and I'm going to heat this up.
Yeah, yes. Thank you, Michelle. And I love that you bring the healthy aspect of cooking. It is very important to, feed yourself properly. And as you age, the better you eat, the better you are in all aspects. So today, this is going to be the protagonist. This is the bread from my country. Is we call it harina pan, but it is nothing but cornmeal. You call it cornmeal here in North America. Let's say it's being prepared in the area which is nowadays Venezuela and Colombia for at least 6,000 years. 6,000 years. Until 1960, the people would wake up very early in the morning, 4 in the morning, and they had these giant mortars, and they started milling the white corn. But in 1916, these guys from the very big company in Venezuela invented the industrial process. So nowadays, and mostly due to the Venezuelan migration, which is vast, we have this cornmeal in 80 countries in the world. So this product is one of the best breads you can eat. We call them arepas, and today we're going to make arepas with zucchini and with carrots, which is available all the time, cheap and packed with nutrients.